Namaskaram. My name is Ramesh Natarajan and we have reached the GRDIS Gurukul School of Spiritual Studies. With me is my wife Sridevi Gayatri, who is joining me today, plus also the team of GRD Gurukul chanters from all over the world. We have representation from Canada, US, India, Abu Dhabi, and I don't know, several other places. So, and Canada, of course. So welcome to all of you. Dear friends, today is, in my opinion, a historical day because we're going to take up Udaka Shanti. And let me add my favorite piece. We are an inclusive team and we especially encourage women to chant. Dear friends, Udaka Shanti is a very advanced Vedic chant and is comprised of select purificatory mantras from various portions of Yajurveda and put together. And Udaka Shanti is a mandatory chant that is used in the samskaras, Vedic samskaras. Vedic samskaras are Vedic rituals, and there are compulsory Vedic rituals like Upanayanam, like Simandam, like wedding, Vivaham, etc. So, Udaka Shanti is used for recitation in all these Vedic rituals, for which a kalasham is set up and Bhagavan Varuna, Lord Varuna, is invoked in the kalasham, and with the chanting of these mantras, the water gets highly purified, and with that Abhishekam is performed for the Jajaman, for whom we are performing this, and with that a purification ceremony is performed. So this is a very, very important Vedic chant and comprises very, very important mantras. The way we have approached this Udaka Shanti is, we have already completed some very, very important suktams from Udaka Shanti, like Bhagya Suktam, Go Suktam, Nakshatra Suktam, Brahma Suktam, Vagdevi Suktam, Anna Suktam, Pavamana Suktam, Shraddha Suktam, etc. And now we are going to start from the beginning of Udaka Shanti and pay a lot of attention to the what I call the non-suktam portions. The non-suktam portions, so-called non-suktam portions, also contain some suktams actually, but we will study those. So today is a historical day, and I'm very, very happy. I've been looking forward to this day for a long, long time. And I think after learning Rudram, Chamakam, all the suktams, etc., all of us are in a very good spot to start learning higher level of Vedic chants, because you know the rules of chanting, and after all this experience, you're well poised to learn Udaka Shanti. So welcome to Udaka Shanti. I will now start off with a prayer to Lord Ganapati as well as Saraswati, and then we will start Udaka Shanti. Ganana Antva Ganapati Gumhavamahe Kavim Kavinamupamashravastamam Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspadaana Shrinvannotibhissedasadanam. Om Shri Mahaganadhipataye Namaha. Prano Devi Saraswati Vajedhirvajinivati Srinama Vitriyavato Vagdevyai Namaha. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Dear friends, Udaka Shanti commences with recitation of the first line or the first sentence of each of the Vedas. So in the script that you have, you will find that the first sentence starts with Agni Mile, Agni Mile, and that is the start of the Rig Veda. The very first Vakyam of Rig Veda starts with Agni Mile. The very first Vakyam of Yajurveda starts with Ishet Vorje. The third Vakyam that you have, Agna Ayahi, is the very first Vakyam of Samavedam, and Shanno Devira Bhishtaya. The fourth Vakyam is the very first Vakyam of Atharvana Vedam. The one difference that you see today is that the second Vakyam, Ishe Dvorjetva, when we come to that, generally people chant an abridged version of that. We are going to be reciting the entire stanza, not the abridged version. So those of you, especially from the public, who have the abridged version, you need to get the full Vakyam if you want to learn that particular stanza. The second point I want to point out is these four paragraphs are so important that at the end of every puja, every homam, when we conclude, these are chanted as excerpts from the four Vedas. So when we say Veda Parayanam, these lines are chanted. So for example, Agni Mile will be chanted, and after that a Rig Veda Pandit will chant an excerpt of Rig Vedam and do Ganapatham in that. Then Ishe Dvorjetva will be chanted, and the Yajurveda Pandits will sit together and recite a Ganapatham from Yajurvedam. Similarly, Agna Ajahi will be recited, and one Samavedi will recite Samavedam, and after Shanno Devira Bhishtaya, an Atharvana Vedi will recite from Atharva Veda. Generally, it's popular to recite Ganapati Upanishad, Devi Upanishad, etc., because they are also from Atharva Veda. Okay? If there is a genuine Atharvana Vedi there, he will definitely recite something unique from Atharvana Veda. Okay? So today we will start with Agni Mile, and I will request now Sridevi Gayatri, my wife, to join me for starting off Udaka Shanti, and I will also be reciting with her for repetition. This luxury I don't have with you, because when you recite and I recite, if we recite together on Zoom, it will not sound well because of the time difference. But with Gayatri, I can afford to do that. Okay, so bear with me for that. Om Agni Mile, Om Agni Mile, Om Agni Mile. So we are going to chant Rig Vedam in the style that we learned when I started off Ganapati Suktam. So we are not going to recite it like the Yajurveda fashion. We are going to recite it not in the we are going to recite it in what they call the Kanchi Patham style or the Maharashtra Patham style, where if there is a Hasvam with an upper swara with no holding, it will be recited as a Dirgham. Okay? And the first word, watch out, Agni Mi Le, Ala, not Mi Le, Ala, Mi Le. Okay? Okay. Agni Mi Le Purohitam. Agni Mi Le Purohitam. Agni Mi Le Purohitam. So we are saying Hitam because He is a Hrasvam, but it has got an upper swara, but there is no holding with thumb, so it will be recited as a Dirgham, Purohitam, like that. And when we join Purohitam with Yajnasya, their Anuswara will come in. Purohitam will become Purohitai. Okay? Purohitai Yajnasya, Purohitai Yajnasya, Purohitai Yajnasya. Yajnasya, Ya has an upper swara and will be recited as a Dirgham because there is no holding with De. Okay? So it is a Hrasvam, upper swara, no holding, so it will be recited with a Dirgham. Agni Mile Purohitai Yajnasya. Agni Mile Purohitai Yajnasya. Agni Mile Purohitai Yajnasya. Devam Mritvidam. Devam Mritvidam. देव मृत्विजम् अग्निमीळे पुरोहितं यज्ञस्य देव मृत्विजम् अग्निमीळे पुरोहितं यज्ञस्य देव मृत्विजम् अग्निमीळे पुरोहितं यज्ञस्य देव मृत्विजम्. 4 times with me. 1, 2, 3, start. अग्निमीळे पुरोहितं यज्ञस्य देव मृत्विजम् 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 होतारम् होतारम् होतारम्. Second one is Ratnathatamam, because ta has got an upper swara, rasvam, and there is no holding, so it will be recited like a dirgha. Ratnathatamam, Ratnathatamam, Ratnathatamam. And because we are finishing with an im, you have to stress the im, okay? Hotaram Ratnathatamam, Hotaram Ratnathatamam, Hotaram Ratnathatamam. 4 times with me. Hotaram Ratnathatamam, Hotaram Ratnathatamam, Hotaram Ratnathatamam, Hotaram Ratnathatamam. Now we'll recite the full sentence twice. Or do you want it 4 times? Okay, let's do it 4 times. Both for Rigvedam, the 2 lines together will recite 4 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Om Agnimeele Purohitam Yajñasya Deva Mritvijam Hotaram Ratnathatamam. 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 Then when we recite in a puja for concluding, we normally add Harihi Om, Harihi Om. But when we recite for Udaka Shanti, this is not done. Okay, it is done continuously without saying Harihi Om, Harihi Om. But when you recite for a puja at the conclusion as Veda Parayanam, Harihi Om is chanted. It is just an artificial addition. So if you leave it out, it is not a big deal. But just be aware that this practice is there. Okay. So what we are going to do now, we are now going to the second portion, which is for the Yajurveda, starting with Ishet Vorje. Again, you have to start with Om because you're starting for the Veda, right? Om Ishet Vorje Tva. Om Ishet Vorje Tva. Om Ishet Vorje Tva. Again, all of you know about Dirgham with holding, right? So, She, Dirgham with holding It, Vo, Dirgham holding with Ir, J, Dirgham holding with it. So all three are Dirgham with holding. So watch out for that. Okay. Vayavastho, Payavastha. Vayavastho, Payavastha. Vayavastho, Payavastha. Ishet Vorjetva, Vayavastho, Payavastha. Ishet Vorjetva, Vayavastho, Payavastha. Ishet Vorjetva, Vayavastho, Payavastha. Devo Vassavita. Devo Vassavita. Devo Vassavita. Devo Vassavita. Devo Vassavita. Ishet Vorjetva, Vayavastho, Payavastha. Devo Vassavita. Ishet Vorjetva, Vayavastho, Payavastha. Devo Vassavita. Ishet Vorjetva, Vayavastho, Payavastha. Devo Vassavita. Devo Vassavita. Devo Vassavita. And then Savita, Ta, you have to hold with ip of the Prarpayatu, so it will be Dirgham. Dirgham holding will be longer. Savita Prarpayatu Sretthatamaya. Savita Prarpayatu Sretthatamaya. Savita Prarpayatu Sretthatamaya. Two you have to hold with the Prarpayatu Sretthatamaya. Shra is coming, so you have to hold with the two with the is. Okay. Savita Prarpayatu Sretthatamaya. Savita Prarpayatu Sretthatamaya. Good. Sretthatamaya Karmana. Sretthatamaya Karmana. Sretthatamaya Karmana. Apyayatvam-agniya deva. Apyayatvam-agniya deva. Apyayatvam-agniya deva. Prarpayatu Sretthatamaya Karmana. Apyayatvam-agniya deva. Savita Prarpayatu Sretthatamaya Karmana. Apyayatvam-agniya deva. Savita Prarpayatu Sretthatamaya Karmana. Apyayatvam-agniya deva. Okay, Deepa.
Actually, Apyayadhva instead of, so the upper swara is on ya, right?
Yeah, Apyayadhva.
Because in our text it has Apyayadhva.
No, it's on ya.
Yeah? Okay.
Apyayadhva. Okay?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Savita Prarpayatu Sretthatamaya Karmana. Apyayatvam-agniya deva. Savita Prarpayatu Sretthatamaya Karmana. Apyayatvam-agniya deva. Savita Prarpayatu Sretthatamaya Karmana. Apyayatvam-agniya deva. Bhagamorjasvatif payasvatif. Bhagamorjasvatif payasvatif. Bhagamorjasvatif payasvatif. So the T followed by Visargam followed by Pa and Visargam followed by Pra will be if sound. Okay. भागमोर्जस्वतीः पयस्वतीः प्रजापति भागमोर्जस्वतीः पयस्वतीः प्रजापति भागमोर्जस्वतीः पयस्वतीः प्रजापति रणमीवा रणमीवा रणमीवा. I'm going to start from Apyayatva. Apyayatva-maghniya deva bhagamorjasvati payasvati prajavati ranamiva. Apyayatva-maghniya deva bhagamorjasvati payasvati prajavati ranamiva. Apyayatva-maghniya deva bhagamorjasvati payasvati prajapati ranamiva. And then there will be a gap because ranamiva, va ends with a accent vowel followed by another vowel of ayaksh. Okay. Okay. Apyayatva-maghniya deva bhaga. Apyayatva-maghniya deva bhaga. Apyayatva-maghniya deva bhaga. Good. Now I'm going. She just wanted to do that part again, so I did it. Now I'm going to ayaksh. Okay. Ayaksh mamavastena. Ayakshmamavastena. Ayakshmamavastena. Two more times. Ayakshmamavastena. Ayakshmamavastena. Ishatamaghashatumso. 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 Ayakshmamavastena ishatamaghashatumso. Ayakshmamavastena ishatamaghashatumso. Ayakshmamavastena ishatamaghashatumso. Rudrasya hetyah parivovranaktadhruva. Rudrasya hetyah parivovranaktadhruva. Rudrasya hetyah parivovranaktadhruva. So vranaktu hold with the it of the dhruva. Okay. Rudrasya hetyah parivovranaktadhruva. Rudrasya hetyah parivovranaktadhruva. Rudrasya hetyah parivovranaktadhruva. And then there will be a gap. Dhruva ends with va. Va has an external vowel followed by another vowel. Asmin ha. Asmin gopatau syata. Asmin gopatau syata. Asmin gopatau syata. Tau will be longer. It's already dirgham, but extra dirgham because of holding with the is of this syata. Bahvir yajamanasya pashun pahi. Bahvir yajamanasya pashun pahi. Bahvir yajamanasya pashun pahi. Bahvir with bahvir will be longer because of holding with the ir. Then shun will be longer because of holding with the in. Okay. Asmin gopatau syata bahvir yajamanasya pashun pahi. Asmin go. No, there's no. You have to flow. Asmin gopatau syata bahvir yajamanasya pashun pahi. Asmin gopatau syata स्यात् बह्वीर्यजमानस्य पशून् पाहि अस्मिन् गोपतौ स्यात् बह्वीर्यजमानस्य पशून् पाहि अस्मिन् गोपतौ स्यात् बह्वीर्यजमानस्य पशून् पाहि. Good. We'll again start a revision from the first. Yeshet orjetva vayavastho vayavastha devo vassavita prarpayatos sredhatamaya karmana apyayatvamakniya deva. Yeshet orjetva vayavastho vayavastha devo vassavita प्रार्पयतो श्रेष्ठतमाय कर्मण आप्यायत्वमग्निया देव. ईशेत्वोर्जेत्वा वायवस्थो वायवस्थ देवो वस्सविता प्रार्पयतो श्रेष्ठतमाय कर्मण आप्यायत्वमग्निया देव. Twice and then we'll complete it. Deva bhagamorjasvati payasvati prajavati ranamiva. Deva bhagamorjasvati payasvati prajavati ranamiva. Deva bhagamorjasvati payasvati Prajavati Ranamiva. Then again from the beginning, Ishet Orjetva up to Ranamiva. So if you run out of breath, don't worry. Where you have to take a small breath is where there is a dirgham with holding. For example, Ishet, you can take a breath there if you want, but you can still go a little bit. Ishet Orjetva Vayavastho Vayavastha Devo Vassavita. Like that, okay? There you can take breath. It will look seamless. Okay? I'm going to go up to Ishet Orjetva up to Ranamiva. Deva Bhaga, Deva Bhaga, Deva Bhaga. Okay? Ishet Orjetva Vayavastho Vayavastha Devo Vassavita Prarpayato Sredhatamaya Karmana Apyayatvamagniya Deva. Deva, Deva, right? You want to go to Bhaga? Okay. Ishet, let's start. We will go to Bhaga, okay? You want me to say once and then repeat, or you're okay? You can go to Bhaga, right? Okay. Ishet Orjetva Vayavastho Vayavastha Devo Vassavita Prarpayato Sredhatamaya Karmana Apyayatvamagniya Deva Bhaga. Ishet Orjetva Vayavastho Vayavastha Devo Vassavita Prarpayato Sredhatamaya Karmana Apyayatvamagniya Deva Bhaga. Now we are going to up to Ranamiva. Okay? 1, 2, 3, start. Ishet Orjetva Vayavastho Vayavastha Devo Vassavita Prarpayato Sredhatamaya Karmana Apyayatvamagniya Deva Bhagamorjasvati Payasvati Prajavati Ranamiva. Ishet Orjetva Vayavastho Vayavastha Devo Vassavita Prarpayato Sredhatamaya Karmana Apyayatvamagniya Deva Bhagamorjasvati Payasvati Prajavati Ranamiva. Ayakshmamavastena ईशतमाघशगुंसो रुद्रस्य हेत्य परिवो वृणक्तध्रुवा आयक्ष्मामावस्थेन 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 ईशतमाघशगुंसो रुद्रस्य हेत्य परिवो वृणक्तध्रुवा अस्मिन् गोपतो स्यात् भाग्येर्यजमानस्य पशुर्पाहि 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 अस्मिन् गोपतो स्यात् भाग्येर्यजमानस्य पशुर्पाहि. Now we don't go the full thing, okay? Just remember. 1, 2, 3, start. Om Ishetva Payavastha Deva Vassavita Prarpayata Shreshtatamaya Dharmana Apyayatva Magniya Deva Bhagamo Jasvati Payasvati Prajapatiranamiva आयक्ष्मामावस्थेन ईशतमाघशगुंसो रुद्रस्य हेत्य परिवो वृणक्तध्रुवा अस्मिन् गोपतो स्यात् भाग्येर्यजमानस्य पशुर्पाहि ॐ ईशेत्वा भायवस्था देवो वत्सविता प्रार्पयतु श्रेष्ठतमाय कर्मणः आप्यायध्वमग्निया देवभागमोर्जस्वते पयस्वते प्रजापतिरनमीव आयक्ष्मामावस्थेन ईशतमाघशगुंसो रुद्रस्य हेत्य परिवो वृणक्तध्रुवा अस्मिन् गोपतो स्यात् भाग्येर्यजमानस्य पशुर्पाहि ॐ ईशेत्वा भायवस्था देवो वत्सविता प्रार्पयतु श्रेष्ठतमाय कर्मण आप्यायध्वमग्निया देवभागमोर्जस्वते पयस्वते प्रजापतिरनमीव आयक्ष्मामावस्थेन ईशतमाघशगुंसो रुद्रस्य हेत्य परिवो वृणक्तध्रुवा अस्मिन् गोपतो स्यात् भाग्येर्यजमानस्य पशुर्पाहि ॐ ईशेत्वा भायवस्था देवो वत्सविता प्रार्पयतु
श्रेष्ठतमाय कर्मणः ध्यायध्वमग्निया देवभागमोर्जस्वते स्वयस्वते प्रजापतेरननीव आयक्ष्मामावस्तेन ईशतमाधशपुंसो रुद्रस्य हेत्य परिभो मृणक्तध्रुवा अस्मिन् गोपतां स्यात् भक्तिर्यजमानस्य पशून् पाहि.
And then if you're reciting in at the puja and all, Harihi Om, Harihi Om, it will be recited. Now, there's a shorter version of this particular Vakyam, which is normally chanted. We chanted the entire verse. That is, Ishet Varjet Vajavastha Bhajavastha Devo Vasavita Prarpayatosret Katamaya Karmane. That's what they chant. Karmana becomes Karmane. And they end it there. So if you want to make a note, you can say Sret Tatamaya Karmane without any swara, flat. Okay? And then they finish it and say Harihi Om, Harihi Om. You can make a note. Okay? So this is, I want you to get up to a very good start. Okay? When you do Udaka Shanti, the first 4 lines from the 4 Vedas have to be delivered very well. That's why grilling on this particular Yajurveda portion. Okay. Now we come to Samavedam Agna Ayahi. So we are using Yajurveda swaras. We are not using Samaveda swaras for this. I am not aware of Samaveda swaras. But those who are Samavedi, I mean, what I am going to teach you now is the way it is 99% delivered. But I have also seen people who use Samaveda swaras for actual Samaveda swaras for delivering Agna Ayahi section. Okay. But we are going to go with the Yajurveda style. Om Agna Ayahi Vitaye. Om Agna Ayahi Vitaye. Om Agna Ayahi Vitaye. Granano Havyadataye. Granano Havyadataye. Granano Havyadataye. Om Agna Ayahi Vitaye. Granano Havyadataye. Om Agna Ayahi Vitaye. Granano Havyadataye. Om Agna Ayahi Vitaye. Granano Havyadataye. Now we're going to recite 4 times without walk. Okay, just for practice. 1, 2, 3, start. Agna Ayahi. 1, 2, 3, start. Agna Ayahi Vitaye. Granano Havyadataye. 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 And then we go to the second line. Nihota Satsi Parhishi. Nihota Satsi Parhishi. Nihota Satsi Parhishi. Watch for the drill. Parhishi, not Parhishi. Parhishi. Okay. And don't drag the she to Parhishi like that. Parhishi. Little bit. That's it. 4 times. Nihota. 1, 2, 3. Start. Nihota Satsi Parhishi. Nihota Satsi Parhishi. Nihota Satsi Parhishi. Nihota Satsi Parhishi. Good. Now I'm going to recite both the lines for Samavedam and then we're going to recite 4 times. Om Agna Ayahi Vitaye. Granano Havyadataye. Nihota Satsi Parhishi. Om Agna Ayahi Vitaye. Granano Havyadataye. Nihota Satsi Parhishi. Om Agna Ayahi Vitaye. Granano Havyadataye.
निहोता सत्सि बर्हिषि ॐ अग्न आयाहि वीतये गृणानो हव्यदातये निहोता सत्सि बर्हिषि ॐ अग्न आयाहि वीतये गृणानो हव्यदातये निहोता सत्सि बर्हिषि.
And then if you're doing in a puja or whatever, you say Harihi Om, Harihi Om. Okay? And then we go to the Atharvana Veda. Shanno Devira Bhittaya is a very, very popular mantra. You would have heard about it. It is used for Shani Bhagavan. It also comes in Navagraha Suktam. It comes in so many other places. Okay? Om Shanno Devira Bhittaya. Om Shanno Devira Bhittaya. We'll do without Om. Om Shanno Devira Bhittaya. Om Shanno Devira Bhittaya. Om Shanno Devira Bhittaya. Not I'm dragging because we're finishing there, but it will become short when we add to Apo. Okay. Apo Bhavanto Pitaye. Apo Bhavanto Pitaye. Apo Bhavanto Pitaye. Om Shanno Devira Bhittaya. 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 Apo Bhavanto Pitaye. We go to the second sentence. Shayyorabhisravanto naha. Shayyorabhisravanto naha. Shayyorabhisravanto naha. 4 times. Shayyorabhisravanto naha. Shayyorabhisravanto naha. Shayyorabhisravanto naha. Shayyorabhisravanto naha. I'm going to say once, we'll repeat 4 times with Om, both the sentences. Om Shanno Devira Bhittaya. Apo Bhavanto Pitaye. Shayyorabhisravanto naha. Om Shanno Devira Bhittaya. Apo Bhavanto Pitaye. Shayyorabhisravanto naha. Om Shanno Devira Bhittaya. Apo Bhavanto Pitaye. Shayyorabhisravanto naha. Om Shanno Devira Bhittaya. Apo Bhavanto Pitaye. Shayyorabhisravanto naha. And then you conclude with Harihi Om, Harihi Om. If you are going to do in a puja, but when you are doing for Udaka Shanti, we will skip the Harihi Om, but Om will be there at the beginning of each of the Veda Vakyams, okay, for the 4 Vedas. So what I am going to do now, I am going to recite from the beginning. Do you want to recite with me? Okay, I am going to recite from Agni Mile up to Shanno Devira Bhittaya. Okay. Om Agni Mile Purohitai Yajnasya Deva Mritvitam Otaram
दधातामम् ॐ ईशत्वर्जत्वा भायवस्थो भायवस्थदेवो वः सविता प्रार्पयतु श्रेष्ठतमाय कर्मण आप्यायत्वमग्निया देव भागमोर्जस्पति पयस्पति प्रजापतिरनमीव आयक्ष्मानावस्तेन ईशतमादशतुं सो रुद्रस्य हेत्य परिवो वृणत्वध्रुवान् अस्मिन् गोपदास्यादभागेर्यजमानस्य पशून् पाहि ॐ अग्न आयाहि वेतये गृणानो हव्यदातये योदा सत्सि बर्हिषि ॐ शन्नो देवीरभिष्टय आपो भवन्तु पीतये शय्यो रथिस्रवन्तु नः.
Okay, that gives you the start of Udaka Shanti with the 4 Vakyams from the 4 Vedas. Now we start the actual Udaka Shanti. It starts from Krinishwapaja. This particular section is called Rakshogna Suktam. Rakshogna Suktam. No, that is available in the document. This is only the first one. But now I'm going to continue with them. Okay? So if you want to join on Zoom, you can join. So Gayatri will be, are you going to be working in the kitchen? Yeah. Okay, she has to go to the kitchen, so I had to put my headsets on because the grinder will be on. So along with the raw grinding, there will be more grinding. Give me 1 second. So far, you guys are enjoying it? Okay? Okay, if you enjoy it, give it a thumbs up or just wave, okay? If you don't enjoy it, you don't have to do anything. This was a dream project, so I'm a little hyper today. I think we got off to a good start, right? Okay, now I'm going to go with Deepa.
Namaskaram, Ramesh.
Namaskaram. So we are going to start with what is called the Rakshogna Suktam. Okay, and sometimes people recite it just as important Vedic excerpt. Advanced Vedic chanters do it. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Do you want me to reduce the Shruti a bit?
No, we are good, sir.
That Shruti is okay?
Yeah, it's good for me, but I don't know if everybody
No,
else
I will adjust it depending upon. And actually, I chanted more than anybody today. Okay, no problem. Okay. Krinashvapajah prasitinna.
Krinashvapajah prasitinna. Krinashvapajah prasitinna.
Very good. Normally people go wrong at the very beginning where there are 2 lower swaras. Okay, they go Krinashvapajah. No, Krinashvapajah prasitinna.
Krinashvapajah prasitinna. Krinashvapajah prasitinna.
Very good. Ja followed by Visargam will become Jaf. Visargam from pra will become if. Okay. Then Prithvim Yahi. There is an Anuswaram here. It will become Prithvi Yahi. Prithvi Yahi. Prithvi Yahi.
Prithvi Yahi. Prithvi Yahi.
Though we are saying he dhirgam here because of breaking of there, but it is not a dhirgam. It will get adjusted when you go to Raje. Okay. Raje Mava. Rajevama Bhagum Ibhena.
Rajevama Bhagum Ibhena. राजे वामवागुं इभेन
राजे वामवागुं इभेन
राजे वामवागुं इभेन राजे वामवागुं इभेन.
Very good. कृणश्वपाजः प्रसितिन्न पृथ्वी याहि राजे वामवागुं इभेन
ऋणश्वपाजः प्रसितिन्न पृथिवी याहि राजे वामवागुं इभेन ऋणश्वपाजः प्रसितिन्न पृथ्वी याहि राजे वामवागुं इभेन
पृथ्वी याहि राजे
पृथ्वी याहि राजे पृथ्वी याहि राजे
कृणश्वपाजः प्रसितिन्न पृथ्वी याहि राजे वामवागुं इभेन
ऋणश्वपाजः प्रसितिन्न पृथ्वी याहि राजे वामवागुं इभेन ऋणश्वपाजः प्रसितिन्न पृथ्वी याहि राजे वामवागुं इभेन
कृणश्वपाजः प्रसितिन्न पृथ्वी याहि राजे वामवागुं इभेन
ऋणश्वपाजः प्रसितिन्न पृथ्वी याहि राजे वामवागुं इभेन ऋणश्वपाजः प्रसितिन्न पृथ्वी याहि राजे वामवागुं इभेन
कृणश्वपाजः प्रसितिन्न पृथ्वी याहि राजे वामवागुं इभेन
ऋणश्वपाजः प्रसितिन्न पृथ्वी याहि राजे वामवागुं इभेन ऋणश्वपाजः प्रसितिन्न पृथ्वी याहि राजे वामवागुं इभेन.
4 times.
ऋणश्वपाजः प्रसितिन्न पृथ्वी याहि राजे वामवागुं इभेन ऋणश्वपाजः प्रसितिन्न पृथ्वी याहि राजे वामवागुं इभेन ऋणश्वपाजः प्रसितिन्न पृथ्वी याहि राजे वामवागुं इभेन ऋणश्वपाजः प्रसितिन्न पृथ्वी याहि राजे वामवागुं इभेन.
Very good. Treshve mano prasitin prasitim. We'll make it prasitin when we add with id. Okay. Treshve mano prasitim.
Trishvimana prasitim. Trishvimana prasitim.
Treshve mano prasitim.
Trishvimana prasitim. Trishvimana prasitim.
Dronanostasi vidya.
Dronanostasi vidya. Dronanostasi vidya.
Rakshasastapishthaihi.
Rakshasastapishthaihi. Rakshasastapishthaihi.
Yeah, correct. Second time was correct. Pisthaihi. He will also be a little bit extended because of thai. Thai will become he. Okay. Treshve mana prasitindro nanostasi.
Trishvimana prasitindronanostasi. Trishvimana prasitindronanostasi.
Trishvi, we will not be as dhirgam. It is dhirgam, but there is no holding, right? Treshve त्रिष्वेमन प्रसितिन्द्रोणानस्तासि विद्य राक्षसस्तपिष्ठैः
त्रिष्वेमनुप्रसितिन्द्रोणानोस्तासि विद्य राक्षसस्तपिष्ठैः त्रिष्वेमनुप्रसितिन्द्रोणानोस्तासि विद्य राक्षसस्तपिष्ठैः
विद्य राक्षसस्तपिष्ठैः
विद्य राक्षसस्तपिष्ठैः विद्य राक्षसस्तपिष्ठैः
गुड द्रोणानस्तासि विद्य राक्षसस्तपिष्ठैः
द्रोणानोस्तासि विद्य राक्षसस्तपिष्ठैः द्रोणानोस्तासि विद्य राक्षसस्तपिष्ठैः
So just thaihi, just reduce it a little bit, okay? Trishveman prasitindronanastasi vidya rakshasastapishthaihi
त्रिष्वेमनुप्रसितिन्द्रोणानोस्तासि विद्य राक्षसस्तपिष्ठैः त्रिष्वेमनुप्रसितिन्द्रोणानोस्तासि विद्य राक्षसस्तपिष्ठैः
Good, 4 times.
त्रिष्वेमनुप्रसितिन्द्रोणानोस्तासि विद्य राक्षसस्तपिष्ठैः त्रिष्वेमनुप्रसितिन्द्रोणानोस्तासि विद्य राक्षसस्तपिष्ठैः त्रिष्वेमनुप्रसितिन्द्रोणानोस्तासि विद्य राक्षसस्तपिष्ठैः त्रिष्वेमनुप्रसितिन्द्रोणानोस्तासि विद्य राक्षसस्तपिष्ठैः
Good. Only the finish, no? You are following my instruction, but I want you to reduce it a little bit. Raktasastapishthaihi.
राक्षसस्तपिष्ठैः राक्षसस्तपिष्ठैः
Yeah. So when you go together, no, for example, Granashvabhaja prasitinna prithvi yahira mavagum ibhena trishvemana prasitindronanastasi vidya rakshasastapishthaihi. You know, okay? Got the balance? That's the balance you should get. Okay. Next one. Tava brahmasa.
तव भ्रमास तव भ्रमास
Good. So all of you, make sure you hold the ib of the bra. Tava brahmasa. Okay. Ashuya patantyano.
आशुया पतन्त्यनो आशुया पतन्त्यनो
And here is a trick. Very tricky portion, because the nu you have to hold with the is of this prisha. This is very tricky. Patantyanas prisha.
पतन्त्यनुस्पृश पतन्त्यनुस्पृश
Very good. Drishatasho shuchanaha.
दृशताशो दृशताशो शुचानः दृशताशो शुचानः
Just fine tune the sha. First one is drishatasha. Second is shoshucha. Second one is shivasha. Okay. Drishatasho shuchanaha.
दृशताशो शुचानः दृशताशो शुचानः
Pronunciation for the. Drishatasho shuchanaha.
धृषताशो शुचानः धृषताशो शुचानः
Tava brahmasa ashuya.
तव भ्रमास आशुया तव भ्रमास आशुया
Tava brahmasa ashuya patantyanus prisha.
तव भ्रमास आशुया पतन्त्यनुसृपृश तव भ्रमास आशुया पतन्त्यनुस्पृश
आशुया पतन्त्यनुस्पृश
आशुया पतन्त्यनुस्पृश आशुया पतन्त्यनुस्पृश
तव भ्रमास आशुया पतन्त्यनुस्पृश धृषतासो शुचानः
तव भ्रमास आशुया पतन्त्यनुस्पृश धृषताशो शुचानः तव भ्रमास आशुचा तव भ्रमास आशुया पतन्त्यनुस्पृश धृषताशो शुचानः तव भ्रमा
continue
तव भ्रमास आशुया पतन्त्यनुस्पृश धृषताशो शुचानः
very well done स्पृश धृषता
स्पृश धृषता स्पृश धृषता
पतन्त्यनुस्पृश धृषताशो शुचानः
पतन्त्यनुस्पृश धृषताशो शुचानः पतन्त्यनुस्पृश धृषताशो शुचानः
आशुया पतन्त्यनुस्पृश धृषतासो शुचानः
आशुया पतन्त्यनुस्पृश धृषताशो शुचानः आशुया पतन्त्यनुस्पृश धृषताशो शुचानः
तव भ्रमास आशुया पतन्त्यनुस्पृश धृषतासो शुचानः
तव भ्रमास आशुया पतन्त्यनुस्पृश धृषताशो शुचानः तव भ्रमास आशुया पतन्त्यनुस्पृश धृषताशो शुचानः
तव भ्रमास आशुया पतन्त्यनुस्पृश धृषतासो शुचानः
तव भ्रमास आशुया पतन्त्यनुस्पृश धृषताशो शुचानः तव भ्रमास आशुया पतन्त्यनुस्पृश धृषताशो शुचानः
तव भ्रमास आशुया पतन्त्यनुस्पृश धृषतासो शुचानः 4 times
तव भ्रमास आशुया पतन्त्यनुस्पृश धृषताशो शुचानः तव भ्रमास आशुया पतन्त्यनुस्पृश धृषताशो शुचानः तव भ्रमास आशुया पतन्त्यनुस्पृश धृषताशो शुचानः तव भ्रमास आशुया पतन्त्यनुस्पृश धृषताशो शुचानः
excellent very good next line तापोगुष्यग्ने
तपूगष्यग्ने तपूगष्यग्ने
तापोगुष्यग्ने जुह्वा
तपूगष्यग्ने जुह्वा तपूगष्यग्ने जुह्वा
तापोगुष्यग्ने जुह्वा पतंगान
तपूगष्यग्ने जुह्वा पतंगान तपूगष्यग्ने जुह्वा पतंगान
पतंगान संदितो
पतंगान संदितो पतंगान संदितो
पतंगान संदितो विसृज
पतंगान संदितो विसृज पतंगान संदितो विसृज
विसृज विश्वगुल्काः
विसृज विश्वगुल्काः विसृज विश्वगुल्काः
पतंगान संदितो विसृज विश्वगुल्काः
पतंगान संदितो विसृज विश्वगुल्काः पतंगान संदितो विसृज विश्वगुल्काः
तपोगष्यग्ने जुह्वा पतंगान संदितो विसृज विश्वगुल्काः
तपोगष्यग्ने जुह्वा पतंगान संदितो विसृज विश्वगुल्काः तपोगष्यग्ने जुह्वा पतंगान संदितो विसृज विश्वगुल्काः
तपोगष्यग्ने जुह्वा पतंगान संदितो विसृज विश्वगुल्काः
तपोगष्यग्ने जुह्वा पतंगान संदितो विसृज विश्वगुल्काः तपोगष्यग्ने जुह्वा पतंगान संदितो विसृज विश्वगुल्काः
तपोगष्यग्ने जुह्वा पतंगान संदितो विसृज विश्वगुल्काः 4 times
तपोगष्यग्ने जुह्वा पतंगान संदितो विसृज विश्वगुल्काः तपोगष्यग्ने जुह्वा पतंगान संदितो विसृज विश्वगुल्काः तपोगष्यग्ने जुह्वा पतंगान संदितो विसृज विश्वगुल्काः तपोगष्यग्ने जुह्वा पतंगान संदितो विसृज विश्वगुल्काः.
Very good. Thank you, Deepa. You did wonderfully well.
Thank you.
These are not easy sentences, but you did excellent justice. Very good. I now call upon Anuradha.
So sorry to interrupt you.
Yeah.
What is this Suktam being chanted? I didn't have the text, neither did I have any idea.
Rakshoghna Suktam, that is the beginning of Udaka Shanti. Rakshoghna Suktam.
But was this text, this one shared or something? I couldn't find.
Yes, we said it is available in a particular website. You can look for it in the VMS Vedic website. You can also look at sanskritdocuments.com.
Okay.
There also sanskritdocuments.org. You'll find it there also.
Rakshoghna Suktam.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. So Anuradha, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Do you want me to reduce the Shruti a little bit?
Yes, please.
Okay. Tell me if it is comfortable, or I'll lower it even further. Okay.
Okay.
Prathespasho.
It's perfect.
Okay.
Pratispasho. Pratispasho.
Visrajaturnitamo.
Visrujaturnitamo. Visrujaturnitamo.
Prathespasho. Visrajaturnitamo.
Pratispasho. Visrujaturnitamo. Pratispasho. Visrujaturnitamo.
Bhava payur visho.
Bhava payur visho. Bhava payur visho.
And then there will be a gap because it's followed by asya, that is visho. Sho ends with dirgha vowel, followed by another vowel of asya, then another gap because asya ends with ya, which is ending with the dirgha vowel, followed by another vowel adabdhaha okay. Asya adabdhaha.
Asya adabdhaha. Asya adabdhaha.
Prathespasho visrajaturnitamo bhava.
Pratispasho visrujaturnitamo bhava. प्रतिस्पशो विसृजतोर्नितमो भव
प्रतिस्पशो विसृजतोर्नितमो भव पायुर्विशो
प्रतिस्पशो विसृजतोर्नितमो भव वायुर्विशो प्रतिस्पशो विसृजतोर्नितमो भव प्रतिस्पशो
पायुर्विशो
प्रतिस्पशो विसृजतोर्नितमो भव पायुर्विशो प्रतिस्पशो विसृजतोर्नितमो भव पायुर्विशो.
I'm going to say the full sentence with the gaps, okay? प्रतिस्पशो विसृजतोर्नितमो भव पायुर्विशो अस्य अदब्धः
प्रतिस्पशो विसृजतोर्नितमो भव पायुर्विशो अस्य अदब्धः प्रतिस्पशो विसृजतोर्नितमो भव पायुर्विशो अस्य अदब्धः.
Perfect. प्रतिस्पशो विसृजतोर्नितमो भव पायुर्विशो अस्य अदब्धः
प्रतिस्पशो विसृजतोर्नितमो भव पायुर्विशो अस्य अदब्धः प्रतिस्पशो विसृजतोर्नितमो भव पायुर्विशो अस्य अदब्धः.
प्रतिस्पशो विसृजतोर्नितमो भव पायुर्विशो अस्य अदब्धः
प्रतिस्पशो विसृजतोर्नितमो भव पायुर्विशो अस्य अदब्धः प्रतिस्पशो विसृजतोर्नितमो भव पायुर्विशो अस्य अदब्धः.
4 times.
प्रतिस्पशो विसृजतोर्नितमो भव पायुर्विशो अस्य अदब्धः प्रतिस्पशो विसृजतोर्नितमो भव पायुर्विशो अस्य अदब्धः प्रतिस्पशो विसृजतोर्नितमो भव पायुर्विशो अस्य अदब्धः प्रतिस्पशो विसृजतोर्नितमो भव पायुर्विशो अस्य अदब्धः.
Good. Well done. Well done. Yo no dure.
यो नो दूरे यो नो दूरे.
And there will be a gap. Dure ends with re, which is dirgha vowel a, followed by another vowel aghashagum a. Then after aghashagum so, yo, after yo, there will be another gap, antyagne. So mark that, okay? Aghashagum so yo.
अघशगं सोयो अघशगं सोयो.
Yo no dure aghashagum so yo.
यो नो दूरे अघशगं सोयो यो नो दूरे अघशगं सोयो.
Antyagne makishte.
अन्त्यग्ने माक्यष्टे अन्त्यग्ने माक्यष्टे.
And te will become extra dhirgam because of holding with the iv of the vya. Okay. Vyathiradadarshit.
व्यथिरादधर्षीत व्यथिरादधर्षीत.
Very well done. All of you please watch out. It's not dharshit, dharshit, dharshit. Okay. Makishte. Hold the iv. Makishte vyathiradadarshit.
माकिष्ठे व्यथिरादधर्षीत माकिष्ठे व्यथिरादधर्षीत.
You're holding, but you're not going longer. Okay. Makishte vyathiradadarshit.
माकिष्ठे व्यथिरादधर्षीत माकिष्टे व्यथिरादधर्षीत्
अन्त्यग्ने माकिष्टे व्यथिरादधर्षीत्
अन्त्यग्ने माकिष्टे व्यथिरादधर्षीत् अन्त्यग्ने अन्त्यग्ने माकिष्टे व्यथिरादधर्षीत्
अन्त्यग्ने माकिष्टे व्यथिरादधर्षीत्
अन्त्यग्ने माकिष्टे व्यथिरादधर्षीत् अन्त्यग्ने माकिष्टे व्यथिरादधर्षीत्.
Watch for the pronunciation. Makishte, not tha. Okay. Antyagne makishte vyathiraadadharshit.
अन्त्यग्ने माकिष्टे व्यथिरादधर्षीत् अन्त्यग्ने माकिष्टे व्यथिरादधर्षीत्.
Okay, I'm going to push you a little bit more because you are a perfectionist. All of us are, should be. See, makishte vyathiraadadharshit.
माकिष्टे व्यथिरादधर्षीत् माकिष्टे व्यथिरादधर्षीत्.
Well done. Yo no dhure aghashagunso yo antyagne makishte vyathiraadadharshit.
यो नो दूरे अघशगं सोयो अन्त्यग्ने माकिष्टे व्यथिरादधर्षीत्. यो नो दूरे अघशगं सोयो अन्त्यग्ने माकिष्टे व्यथिरादधर्षीत्.
Makishte vyathiraadadharshit.
माकिष्टे व्यथिरा.
There's a makishte. Hold the ish, release the te separately. Makishte vyathi. Then you'll get a better control if you want, because you can hold and release, no problem.
माकिष्टे व्यथिरादधर्षीत् माकिष्टे व्यथिरादधर्षीत्.
Good. Yo no dhure aghashagum soyo antyagne makishte vyathiraadadharshit.
यो नो दूरे अघशगं सोयो अन्त्यग्ने माकिष्टे व्यथिरादधर्षीत्. यो नो दूरे अघशगं सोयो अन्त्यग्ने माकिष्टे व्यथिरादधर्षीत्.
All good. Just ish te. Ish is a bigger sha, ta is a smaller ta. Okay. I'm going to say once, repeat 4 times, please. I'm just splitting hairs here, but we need that. We want to aim for that perfection. Okay. Yo no dhure aghashagum soyo antyagne makishte vyathiraadadharshit.
यो नो दूरे अघशगं सोयो अन्त्यग्ने माकिष्टे व्यथिरादधर्षीत्. यो नो दूरे अघशगं सोयो अन्त्यग्ने माकिष्टे व्यथिरादधर्षीत्. यो नो दूरे अघशगं सोयो अन्त्यग्ने माकिष्टे व्यथिरादधर्षीत्. यो नो दूरे अघशगं सोयो अन्त्यग्ने माकिष्टे व्यथिरादधर्षीत्.
Good. Well done. Udagne tishtha pratya.
उदग्ने तिष्ठ प्रत्या उदग्ने तिष्ठ प्रत्या
Tishtha pratya.
तिष्ठ प्रत्या तिष्ठ प्रत्या
Udagne tishtha pratya tanushvan.
उदग्ने तिष्ठ प्रत्या Pratyatanushvan.
Tanushvan. So, but it comes with a. Pratyatanushvan.
Udagne tishtha pratyatanushvan. Udagne tishtha pratyatanushvan.
Udagne tishtha pratyatanushvan.
Udagne tishtha pratyatanushvan. Udagne tishtha pratyatanushvan.
Pratyatanushvanyamitragum.
Pratyatanushvanyamitragam.
Mitragum. Gum, Paswara is there, right?
Pratyatanushvanyamitragam.
Hold on. Pratyatanushvanyamitragum.
Pratyatanushvanyamitragam. Pratyatanushvanyamitragam.
Vanyamitragum.
Vanyamitragam. Vanyamitragam.
Oshatatigmahete.
Oshatatigmahete. Oshatatigmahete.
Udagne tishtha pratyatanushvanyamitragum. Oshatatigmahete.
Udagne tishtha pratyatanushvanyamitragam. Oshatatigmahete.
Drag the tat because there's a holding with it, right? Oshatatigmahete.
Oshatatigmahete. Oshatatigmahete.
Ta is a little short. It's because there's a holding with it. Oshatatigmahete.
Oshatatigmahete.
You're going Oshatat. Drag it little bit.
Oshatatigmahete. Oshatatigmahete.
Good. The ending te and the tat timing should be same. Okay. Oshatatigmahete.
Oshatatigmahete. Oshatatigmahete.
Good. Udagne tishtha pratyatanushvanyamitragum. Oshatatigmahete.
Udagne tishtha pratyatanu. Udagne tishtha pratyatanushvanyamitra.
No, hold on slowly. Pratyatanushvanyamitragum.
Pratyatanushvanyamitragam. Pratyatanushvanyamitragam.
Vanyamitra. Sorry.
Can I ask a question, please?
Mm-hmm.
This word Tanushvanyamitra, how do you split? What is the split?
Prat ya ta nush van ya mitra gum.
So no, I get the letters, but what I'm saying in chanting, in the flow of chanting, what is the split in that Tanushvanya mitra gum?
Vanya.
So Tanush, Vanya, Mitra, three separate.
Pratyatanush Vanya Mitra gum.
Okay, three parts. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Always syllable. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Tanush Vanya Mitra gum.
Tanush Vanya Mitragam. Tanush Vanya Mitragam.
Good. Udaka Shanti is tricky from the beginning, okay? Then you'll get to familiar portions, but all of you are handling it supremely well. This is not an easy text. Udagne tishtha pratyatanush vanyamitragum oshatatigmahete.
Udagne tishtha pratyatanush vanyamitragam oshatatigmahete. Udagne tishtha प्रत्यातनुष्वन्यमित् उदग्ने तिष्ठ प्रत्यातनुष्वन्यमित्रागम् ओषतात् तिग्महेते.
Good. So this particular Tanush, Vanyamitragum, all of you should practice. A very tricky portion. Okay. Udagne Titha Tanush Vanyamitragum Oshata Tigmahete. 4 times.
उदग्ने तिष्ठ प्रत्यातनुष्वन्यमित्रागम् ओषतात् तिग्महेते.
Oshata Tigmahete. 4 times. Udagne.
उदग्ने तिष्ठ प्रत्यातनुष्वन्यमित्रागम् ओषतात् तिग्महेते. उदग्ने तिष्ठ प्रत्यातनुष्वन्यमित्रागम् ओषतात् तिग्महेते. उदग्ने तिष्ठ प्रत्यातनुष्वन्यमित्रागम् ओषतात् तिग्महेते. उदग्ने तिष्ठ प्रत्यातनुष्वन्यमित्रागम् ओषतात् तिग्महेते.
Excellent. Very well done. So we will conclude today's class here. So it was an extremely punishing class today. Okay. The opening portion of Udaka Shanti for the first few pages, I would say maybe the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opening 5 to 6 pages are what will test you. Rest of it will not test you. Take it from me. Opening section for 5-6 pages will test you. Rest of it will not be testing you because I know your level and ability. I'm not saying it is not testing for other people, but I know your level. So for you, it will not be testing. Take it from me. So your maximum attention should be from the beginning, the 4 Vedic chants from Krinishva Paja, and then you'll find it's kind of Anusangam comes, which is kind of repetitive, and then Asushushano, all those portions you already know. So take it from me. We are going to do it in a very efficient way, and you're doing very well. You have to pay attention and practice very hard from the beginning to the first 5-6 pages. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to recite from Krinishva Paja up to Tigmahete, right? Om Krinishvapajah prasitinna prithvi yahira jevamavagum ibhena trishvi manaprasitindro nanostasi vidya rakshasastapishthaihi tava brahmasa ashuya patantyanasprishadhrishata shoshuchanaha Tapogasyagne juhva patangana sandito visraja vishvakulka pratispasho visrajatornitamo bhava payurvisho asya adabdhaha yono dhure aghashagum soyo antyagne makishte vyathiradadarshit udagne tishtha Pratyatanushvanyamitragum oshatat tigmahete. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Okay, very good. My plan is, with the lead chanters, every day 4 sentences we have to do till it is perfect. Okay, well done. And thank you for joining. It's not an easy class, and thank you also, from joining from the Gulf at a very odd time, very early in the morning, and also from other parts. Thank you very much. And we will meet again tomorrow. Take care. Have a good night, morning, afternoon, wherever you are. Namaskar.